In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize item catalogs in Stack. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean, searchable structure and create items that reflect the way your team actually builds, which makes estimating faster and more consistent. Start by signing into Stack and heading to the estimating area. From there, open the item catalog. Depending on your interface, you might see it labeled as items or assemblies. If you don't see options to add or edit, check your permissions. You'll need editor or admin access to make catalog changes. It's worth confirming that now so you don't set things up only to realize you can't save them. Before adding items, build a category structure that makes sense for your workflow. In the item catalog, click Add Category. Give each category a name that your team will recognize at a glance. Many estimators organize by trade, like concrete, electrical, or plumbing. Others prefer CSI divisions for consistency across projects, or project phases if that's how work is planned on your jobs. Choose one approach and stick with it. Consistency is key. When the name looks right, save the category. A thoughtful structure today means faster searches, fewer mistakes, and smoother handoffs later. With your categories in place, you're ready to add custom items. Click Add Item and fill in the details. Start with a clear item name, such as 4-inch concrete slab, so it's obvious what you're selecting. Choose the correct unit of measure, square feet, linear feet, each, or cubic yards, so your takeoffs calculate correctly. Enter your costs, material, labor, and equipment if you track it. If your team uses productivity or production rates, add those as well so labor scales properly with quantity. Assign the item to the appropriate category you just created, and then save. A few tips as you populate items. Lean on real historical costs rather than guesses. Pull from past jobs, supplier quotes, and verified crew outputs to keep your numbers grounded. Make sure the units you pick match how you measure in the plans to avoid conversion errors. Use consistent naming conventions so similar items appear together when you search. And remember, your catalog isn't static. You can return to refine costs and descriptions as you gather better data. That's it. You've opened your item catalog, organized it with useful categories, and created custom items tailored to your company's methods. With this foundation, your estimating will be faster, clearer, and more reliable across every project.